Want to turn your hero section from basic to premium with just one effect? In this video, I will show you how to use the XPro background particle effect extension to make your Elementor section modern, interactive and visually alive. By the end, you will be creating hero sections that actually impresses your visitors and clients. So let's dive in. First, make sure you have both the free and pro version of XPro add-ons installed, since this extension is the part of pro version, and since it's the holiday season, you can grab it at a great price. Now let's enable it. From your WordPress dashboard, go to XPro, General, Extension, find background particles, toggle it on and save changes. Now here's my festive hero section. The colors are nice. It has a heading, a button and two images. But it's still missing that wow factor, those interactive particles. To add them, click the main container holding your elements, go to the style tab. Here I have used gradient as a background color. Now scroll to background particles, simply toggle it on. And just like that, we have instant particles. If the default look works for you, you're done. But if you want something more custom, click here to open the particle.js settings. Here you will see the default design, but you can switch between the 4 other types. For our holiday theme, let's go with snow, instantly festive. Now customize the style, particle number, density. Don't go too high or you will slow down your site. Set the color to something contrasting like bright white. Then we have shape. You can add a stroke if you want a sharper look. Now for a pro tip, under shape, you can use the built-in options. Or you can upload a custom image. You simply have to paste the image URL here. I have already uploaded a snowflake PNG to my WordPress media library. I will just copy the URL, pasting the link here, and just see how much more custom that looks. Next, set the particle size. If you want soft animation, enable this. You can also sync the movement, but I will keep mine random. Then under move, if you want it static, keep it unchecked. And if not, enable it. Set the particle direction. And speed from here. Under interactivity, on hover, you can set it to repulse, so the particles move away when the user's mouse gets close, or you can set it to bounce and it will interact like this on hover. Finally, in modes, switch from canvas to window so the effect covers the full area. And that's it. Once you're happy with the design, download the JSON file, open it in a text editor like Notepad, copy the entire code and paste it back into the XPro particle settings inside Elementor, and there you go. This is how you save and reuse your custom effects. I don't want the particles to appear in front of my text or image, so selecting the text content, going to the Advanced tab and setting a z-index of 5. This pushes it forward. I will do the same for the image to make sure both stay above the particle effect. Now let's publish it. And there you go. With that customized effect, your static hero section is now fully transformed into an interactive, premium looking design using the XPro background particles. And you are not limited to just one section, like this hero section for traveling site, turning the background particles, and here I am happy with the default look. Next, the SAS hero banner with a heading, button and image. Here going to JS, going with the default, setting the size, speed, interactivity, and mode, downloading the JSON file, uploading it, That's it. With these small simple steps, you can make any hero section look premium. And that's it. With these simple small steps, you can make any section look premium. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.